Now, this illustration deals with lighting outlets in basements in accordance with NEC 210.70C. And the note deals with number of switches depending upon the number of entries to the basement, which are outlined in 210.70C. Now, notice the switch, just one switch at the top for the stairwell where there are 6 or more risers, in accordance with 210.70A2, item number 3, and then the judgment and approval of the authority having jurisdiction in accordance with 90.4. And sometimes we have these stairwells into basements. Be sure you check with a local electrical code, either for the city, county, or state in some cases. But this is a finished or unfinished basement that we see here. We need the lighting outlet. And then if you had any kind of storage or equipment in the attic, then 210.70C deals with your lighting switch and its location. And then 320.23A and B deals with, is it a scuttle hole or is it a pull-down stairwell? Then you get into protection of the wiring methods were required and so forth. So that's what you figure 11-14 is illustrating, mainly the lighting outlets in basements in accordance with NEC 210.70C as in car.